What's trying to make us wait for? Okay, guys, we're gonna play some basketball!
You're yelling.
Okay, my gosh, I'm just good at basketball. You guys suck. You guys all suck.
It's not our fault.
Shut up!
Mean.
Okay, let me just get the ball. Gosh, these noobs are about to get wrecked. Oh, what the heck? SpongeBob ball. Okay, SpongeBob. Whatever. My gosh, I can't wait to wreck these noobs. Hey guys, I'm gonna make a shot. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Try to copy that. Okay, guys, try to be awesome like that. You guys suck. You can't do anything like that. Awesome. Pro.
That seems pretty simple.
It's not even that hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys think you're so good at basketball, then why don't you even try it? Okay, first, check.
Oh no.
Oh, let's do okay.
Okay, I'm gonna make this shot.
Better do it. Oh, wow, you suck. Oh, wow, that was stupid.
Oh my god.
That was simple too.
Oh, yeah, I guess.
I don't get why
I mean,
you
you're
didn't
a
do
beginner. You suck. Oh, yeah.
Shut up.
Ow! Or whatever. Let me see the ball.
Oh,
you guys think you're good at the game? I'm sure I'm better than all of you. Oh, he's gonna mess up. All right. It's my turn to make the shot. They think they're better than me? Heck no. Wait, what is he doing? Wait, what is he doing? Hey, basketball! What even is that? Calm down, Bowser Jr. Calm down. Ow! It's stupid. Ow! Ow, my bones! Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess it's Yoshi's turn. You go. Yeah, you go. It's still you do.
It's gonna be easy. Oh my gosh, I have to do this. My daddy's always saying, "Oh, you're bad at basketball, Yoshi. You'll never be good at it." Heck no, I can't fail from this.
Wow.
It looks harder than it is.
Yoshi, you missed that shot.
Yeah, I know.
Well, anyways, Charmander, since you think you're so good at basketball, why don't you just try it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man, you guys don't get my skills. I'll show you guys something a little more easier for you noobs. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you something a little more... Okay, shut up, Jack. Yeah, shut up! Junior. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a little something easier for your stupid noobs. You're not gonna get it. Okay, here I go. Nope. Oh man, did you see that shot? How'd you do that?
How'd you even do
Got
that?
that second shot though. Oh, show me how to play. Show me how to play. No.
good at this.
Okay, calm down. You're not ready for my skills. Oh man. Oh. Let's just check over here. I think I want a snack or something. You guys want a snack?
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah. Okay, come on. Okay. All right, guys. Gosh. Go upstairs to get a snack.
Charmander!
Oh, what guy?
I don't appreciate you threw that basketball at me.
Oh, I didn't mean
you know how much that hurt?
Charmander! Wake up!
Get out of here!
Get out!
Charmander!
Charmander! No! Charmander! You... Charmander!
Oh my god!
He's just sleeping.
No, he's not. He's dead.
Oh, does it look
It's
like he's
part of his
sleeping?
face.
Idiot.
He's just sleeping.
No, he's not. You can
Wait,
tell
he's
he's
sleeping.
Does this look like he's sleeping?
Get off of me, kids!
No! Not Charmander!
What do you mean? You did that?
No! It's too late. He's already dead, man.
Not Charmander!
Charmander.
What do
It's
you
all
mean
because of
you
you
did that to
kids!
him?
If you guys would have never played basketball!
Gosh,
He's an idiot.
stupid old guys. My friend.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Yeah, like, what are you guys freaking doing?
Wait, what are you looking at? Oh my gosh. You guys are making your stupid toys again? What's this even say? Rip? Char?
Is this true?
Die, cause old guy pushing down the stairs. What are you doing? Stop! Stop! Ow!
Alright, guys, we're gonna have to write, like, special moments.
Stupid!
We have to write special
What are you doing
moments.
upstairs?
That's none of your business.
I know one that me and him used to always have a moment. He was always a gingerbread
Don't
man.
draw on it! Don't draw on it!
I can't get over this! Oh my gosh, I can't get over this stupid nonsense! Death Star, what's wrong with you? What the hell, me?
I am Iron Man!
My eyes! First it was Batman, now it's Iron Man. When do you ever stop? Get that gun away from me!
No. Shut up.
This is what you get for revenge! Haha. Probably gonna have to have some cereal.
Wait a minute.
Oh, heck no! I don't like Cheerios! Who even likes Cheerios? It's for gingerbread mans. Sorry guys, I just had a freak out, you know?
Who cares about your freak
Just
out?
shut up, freaker!
Stop!
Who even cares about your stupid freakouts? I do.
Hey guys, come on, I want
You know,
stupid
you know, I care about
chicken
Charmander.
guy! Stupid chicken guy! Weird chicken
You guys
guy!
stop this! I don't even look like a chicken.
You do.
Ooh guy, you really just have to make everything awkward. Taste this, Bowser Jr.
What the heck are you doing?
Freaking weirdos, all caring about each other. Come on, Oogai.
Oogai, those stupid weirdos. Are you okay, Oogai?
I think I broke my back. Alright, Yellowbird, it's payday!
Charmander. Wait, what?
It's payday, and today I was feeling generous, so I gave you a silver $100. That's worth $1,000.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait, where's Charmander?
Charmander's sleeping. Yeah, look
Oh,
how
yeah.
late it is.
Wait.
I mean, look how late it is outside. Look at this. Look how late it is.
It's not even that late. It's only like 5 p.m. He's supposed to be awake at this time. His bedtime's 8 p.m.
No. It's 8 p.m. right now. It's just that someone messed with the time.
What?
Let's just talk about money again. Oh my gosh, silver $100.
What the heck? Where am I? What the heck? What? That was weird. What the heck? I couldn't even breathe. I don't even remember anything. I remember like falling in it. What the heck? Oh, I'm gonna see what my friends are doing.
Still can't get over this. You know what?
Oh, hi,
Stupid Toad. Making me drop the bomb. You know what? I'm gonna throw this special bomb I made. It's called 9,444 50,56678. Alright guys, I dropped it again. 8,667,884 and 8. Now let's do this. Oh my gosh! Wait, Charmander!
was alive too. Why'd I even throw that? Oh well, I'm sick of this. I can't get over this! Why, Charmander? Why couldn't it just be Badger Jr.? What the heck is Yellow doing?
What is he doing?
I can't live anymore. I can't live anymore. Wait, it's not my fault.
Yelper, what are you doing?
It's your fault.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I'm gonna kill all of you. I'm gonna kill all of you
Wait, what?
for being gingerbread mans.
What?
And you guys better run, or else your butt's gonna be as red as a chair. Get out of here!
Yoshi, you should have listened to your friends. What are you talking about?
Hold on, let me pick this up. I keep falling. You're gonna die.
What are you talking about?
Come out wherever you are, brats! Sorry about that, kid. Yellower's gonna kill us! Yellower's not gonna find us up here. Where did you guys come from?
Jack, come on! I see Yelper! Oh man, we can't let Yelper get us. I don't want to die.
Open the door!
Jack, come on! Jack! Jack, we can't let him get him, right?
Okay, yes.
Open the door!
We just... Every man for himself, Jack! I'm gonna hide!
Jack! You should never do that, not running. See this gun?
Yes.
This is a 640 billion 5684 64 AK-47 56 pistol. This will kill you. Do you realize this? Do you want to die today? No! Well, you are! Headshot! Love you. Bowser Jr., where are you?
Okay, I can't let Yelper get
Junior! Where are you on perfectness? I'm perfect, you're not. Where the heck is that kid? I could have sworn I heard his voice come from here. Junior! Are you? Never mind. Junior! 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 Oh, you're not there. Junior! Nope. Junior! Nope! Junior! I didn't even check under this door. Wait. Ah! Junior!
You can't get me!
I never did that.
No! No, Yelper!
Butt's gonna be as red as a cherry! Junior! Okay, I'm done. Are you kidding me? You're still alive? Oh, Junior. You're dead now. Well, probably got to put my weapons away. My gun, that in my cup, and my knife. That looks good. Ow! My toe! Ow! Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, but Mario just cleaned that up. Let me just go in this room. Okay, gotta go downstairs. I'm lazy. I have an idea. Woohoo! Slowing down. Let me just go to my room. I forgot this wasn't my room, but...
I'm mine now!